What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Terra Luna Classic. Let's talk about it. We're going to talk about the fact that Terra Luna Classic is a sleeping giant, in my opinion. It's going to be worth a lot, but many people will look at it and go, what if it's not worth as much as you think? Even if it's not worth as much as I think, it's still going to be worth a lot. It is honestly a sleeping giant to where even the smallest and the lowest level of what our expectations are is still going to be a massive jump from where it stands. So ultimately, looking at this as an investment, looking at this as a place to where you can make money from, it's going to be something to where we see a large amount of growth and a large amount of profit from, whether it's at the lowest level or the highest level. And that's what makes this insanely interesting. It's the speculation, it's the growth potential, it's where it is versus where it's going to be. There is a ton going for it, even if we don't see the burns that we want to see, even if we don't see the algorithm back in place or USTC to where we want it to be and repegged and all that stuff, you still have a lot of success and potential for that success. So if you guys could, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys want to check out any of my links down below, it will help out the channel. One of those links being for the video sponsor, FortisX. Keep your holdings working for you with FortisX, right? If you invest into things like XRP, Ethereum, USDT, long-term, big-time positions, you can earn up to 20.94% variable APY with their liquidity pools and their managed staking. And for you that have always been a person that's been about staking, know that there's always a lockup associated with those staking platforms. With FortisX, there is no lockup. You can withdraw anytime that you want to, and it's built for these long-term holders, people that want to hold XRP for a long time, hold 10,000, 20,000 XRP, and be able to gain some extra on top of it. I currently have a portfolio where I have about 23,000 XRP, and I've accrued 427 XRP. 426, if we're rounding up 427, but 427 XRP within that time frame. It's been about 40 days or so, and I've been able to accrue that much, 10 XRP per day with the amount of XRP that I have there. So I'm excited for what this can be. I want you guys to experience it as well, but make sure you guys do your own research. You check it out because you can invest into their liquidity pools or their staking if you want to. But thank you, FortisX, for sponsoring this video. Also, if you want to check out my link for BTCC, feel free to do so. That link is down there in the description. If you use my link, you'll get an extra deposit bonus up to $10,055 of extra bonuses and up to 40% lower trading fees. So feel free to check out that link. That is down there in the description as well. I've been using that for 2 years. So yeah, it's a great platform. But back to the topic at hand. Terra Luna Classic. Again, I know people always question me and go, well, what if this doesn't happen? It doesn't look like we're seeing as many burns as we think is going to be the case. Is it still going to be a massive play? And in my opinion, yes, we're still going to see a major amount of success. It still is a sleeping giant. You're still going to have FOMO, and you're at a reasonably low price right now to where you can see so much success even up to a level of $1 billion, which this should easily hover at. But let's just say we do see that FOMO, we do see a pickup, and we do see it back up to 10, 20, $50 billion without seeing the burns that we want to see or the algorithm back in place or anything like that. You're still going to see the growth. It's just, will it stay there? That's the questions you start asking. So anyways, Terra Luna Classic is at 0.00004900. It's down 18.5% over the year. Over the month, it's down 19%. Over the week, it's down 8%. And over the last 24 hours, it's down 1.59%. And just because you see everything down doesn't mean that that's where it is heading, right? Know that the entire market is there. Crypto in general is not really flowing in the right direction right now, but when it does, all altcoins, especially the ones that have popularity, are going to take off, are going to move in a majorly positive direction. But back to the detail, 270 million market cap, which is insanely low for something of its popularity. $9 million worth of volume, which we're not seeing a lot of volume that's flowing through the crypto market right now. When we do, hundreds of millions, if not billions of dollars will flow through there. You have a 6.45 trillion total supply versus the 5.52 trillion circulating supply. Now, tomorrow we should see a decent burn from Binance, but ultimately we're going to get the same questions and answers and comments. That's just a drop in the bucket. And while you're right, it is just a drop in a bucket, it still is huge, right? It shows that a large company, a large backing like Binance, shows that they believe in Terra Luna Classic, in what can be. But even if it doesn't, they still believe in it to have it listed, to have the ability to trade it and move it and all of that stuff on their platform, because they know that Terra Luna Classic is going to be valuable. Exchanges hold cryptocurrencies because of what the value can bring. On their balance sheet, they have the asset grows in price, the asset grows in value. You're going to see that it's worth more and more over time. And that's what Terra Luna Classic will be for Binance. But it could also be that way for you if you let it be that way for you. Now, there are so many outcomes, right? We could see all exchanges start to burn Terra Luna Classic. Binance is burning Terra Luna Classic. We see it get down to a billion supply, or 10 billion supply, whatever the case may be. And we have the ability to get to $1, $2, $3, $5, recover, the algorithm and USTC. That would be the main picture where everybody sees an explosion from a fraction of a penny up to multiple dollars. You see so many zeros added to whatever you have, and it looks amazing. Then there's the worst case scenario where we see growth, right? But we don't see any staying power. We don't see the burns that are happening. We don't see it get up to $50 billion market cap. We just see it at a standard, maybe $4 or $5 billion market cap, and it resists from there. Understand that up to $1 billion market cap is already a 4x. Up to a $10 billion market cap, or $5 billion market cap, let's say, we're looking at 5 times that, right? So if you're holding $5,000, 5 times what your $5,000 is, it's still going to be a massive gain. It's still going to be a sleeping giant compared to what you are used to. Standard traditional investors are used to maximum, right? Maybe sometimes you'll have it a little bit higher, but 10% per year if we're looking at average. 10%, 5 to 10% per year, meaning that if you see 100%, if you see 200%, if you see, 1,000%, that is an absolute steal. It is the best investment that you've ever made. And that's what we can potentially see on Terra Luna Classic's lower side. Not necessarily the higher side. We're talking about, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of percent in growth on the higher side. Middle of the range, we can look at, maybe 10,000%, maybe high thousands percent. But then if you're looking at over here, you can be looking at, 100%, 200%, 500%, or even 1,000% from it. And that's considered for a lot of people not a massive growth, not a sleeping giant, but that is. It's a 10x, what we would all want to see. If you can take $100,000 and turn that into $1 million with a 10x, that would be amazing. Now, you don't have many people that have $100,000 worth of Terra Luna Classic, but you do have maybe $1,000. You could turn that to $10,000, maybe $10,000. You can turn it to $100,000. I know we have the ability to see a lot of growth. On the lower end, you can gain a lot. Middle end, you can gain a ton. And on the higher end, you're gaining life-changing generational wealth that you can gain with that, as long as you give it the opportunity to do so. So, yes, Terra Luna Classic is a sleeping giant, not only in my opinion, but in what I believe is fact. We are going to see growth. We are going to see success in a play that has popularity, that has utility, that has the potential for so many positive things to happen that even if 1 or 2 positive things happen, it explodes. Would love for all of them to happen, but we have to see, right? I can't change it by myself. We have to do it as a community, and we can. We just have to give it a chance. Guys, I want to know what you think. Is Terra Luna Classic a sleeping giant, or are you on the fence of even buying it or holding it anymore because it hasn't really made these moves? Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Again, check out my link for Fortis if you guys want to, as well as my link for BTCC. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.